Hi there. I just wanted to give a quick explanation about how to find missing assignments other than looking in the gradebook. When students look in the gradebook, it does not post things in order. It posts them based on the type of activity, whether it was a summative, a formative, or a practice. But if you remember correctly, the way that the math is structured, let me go down here. Math is structured in weekly folders. Okay, so I'm in the materials section, and in each folder, there is a set of things that need to be completed in order. Okay, so this is where I just went to the materials section. Okay, this is where I'm at. I scroll down till I find the folders. Okay, now, if a week is completed, it has a green check mark. Okay, if it is not completed, you can open up to see what things still need to be done. So this is completed, this is completed. All of these things are completed. What hasn't been completed is the last blue thing, okay? Because if something's grayed out, it means the thing above it is not completed. Now, if things are optional, they do not have to be completed. But if they are not optional, it'll say optional if it's optional, otherwise it is required. So the only thing that's left in this week 7 folder for this student would be the unit cost practice and a couple of optional puzzles, okay? They do have week 8 done. They can do the same thing in week 9. We can say, oh wow, we've done all of these things. We just have to complete this practice, and then we can go and do the formative. Okay, if we try to go through the grade book and click on this formative, it's going to say that it's not open. That's because the student has not completed the activity ahead of it in order to open that assignment. Okay, so again, folders that have this green check mark that say complete are done. If it does not have a green check mark, it's grayed. It says must complete. Those are the things that we need to open up and do the last thing that we can get into. Okay, if you have any questions, please send me an email, double check those grades, and have a great day.